was here, the best export resort behind the backgrounds. And I only have the sticky speed left.
Yeah. Asunnuskeuttiö Hiirakkotie vaan, niin Hakunila Vantaasta Kessi.
I hope it is the same code as the Kese also.
Yeah.
It should be.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. Built in 1971 with MP6 quad bottles outside and applicator, and inside it's MP8 fixtures. It's really amazing. And it's the Kese, it's pop-out, so you have to watch the Kese. It's very important. I filmed it also before. It's turning 50 years old this year in 2021, and this was finished in late 1971. The serial number is H25083 and it's going to be inspected in 2023. And MP6 stop and alarm button is here. Let's try it. This is very amazing.
Yeah.
And even the SD is fast, even though it has only 6 floors.
Yeah.
And this has 7 floors. Amazing sounds.
Yeah. Niin kiva, jos nyt mentiin pois tuo hissi.
This is in Hakunila Håkanspäälle, Vantaa vuonna Helsinki Force Region, Uusimaa Finland. I really love the vibrations also.
Same.
But that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please also watch all the other stages.